Hi guys, hi YouTube family. So in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step how to add a dip or a super onto your existing beehive. I have my smoker ready. This is how I started. I have recycled paper trays which I put on a fire to get them going, put them in the smoker, and once that is done I just go right ahead and add some more of the recycled paper tray, as you can see in the video. Once that is done, I don't mind to fill it up because I'm going to top it up with a rabbit manure. It's a great source of fuel, it's a great smoker, and I prefer using it because it's readily available because I have some rabbits at the homestead. After that is done, so we dive right into preparing our super and the dip. As I do that, I just pump some air into the smoker to get it going, like you can see in the shot right there. So we proceed to go get we get our chamber, as you can see. Then so this is my equipment. I have my fuel for the smoke. So this is these are rabbit droppings. So these are good smoking on top of the paper tray for eggs. This is the primary fuel. The other one ignites the fire and it keeps smoking, but the rabbit droppings, these keep the smoke coming. Then I have my hive tool. Here it is. I have my knife, any can work. I have my food grade bucket. I have my extension chamber. I think a brood chamber that I'm going to add. Then of course I have my smoker and we are good to go. So this is what we have at hand. This is where I saw the drones flying out of. So I'm going to go try to eliminate that. That's our victim right there. I don't waste time, try to smoke around, so the foraging bees, when they come, they find the smoke already coming. I clear out the bush around the hive and I dig right into it. I don't go in at once, of course, but as you can see, it's a very fast process if it's in time lapse. But smoke it, open up, and go right into the hive. It was a quick and fast placement of the brood chamber. So I want this hive to have 2 brood chambers. So I hope to split it maybe in the future. So that would be helpful if it has to. So I'm kind of gently smoking this to encourage them to go back into the hive. Asides that, I think I'm done. There are so many drones in here, and that's why I was tempted to add a brood chamber. So once they all get in, I'll put back my lid, and I'll think that's a job well done for now, because bees are very unpredictable. As you can see. I'm just standing back to let them cool so they don't follow me around and sting anyone that is not supposed to be stung. But yeah, the smoke is too much. The smoke is really potent, so after I consider what I just did a good job, I just go around, smoke myself a little bit. So those just go back into the hive. Those that are still lingering around me, they go back into the hive. And yeah, that's how you really easily fix a drone problem. And you can, if you want to put a super, add a dip onto your colony, that's what you do. And I felt really happy after that. And it was a very calm evening that day. I didn't have to worry about the sun, and the bees were not so disturbed. So if you are new to the channel, please remember to subscribe, hit that like button, and help the channel grow. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in another one. Remember, keep growing and stay sustainable. This is Peter from the Outpost Homestead. See you in another one. Ciao.